This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to text a random girl on Instagram. First, take a moment to genuinely explore her profile for shared interests or unique details. This helps you craft a message that feels personal and thoughtful rather than a generic pickup line. A good opening shows you've paid attention, making her more likely to respond. Remember, authenticity is key to making a positive first impression. When you're ready to send that first message, aim for an open-ended question related to something on her profile. This encourages a real conversation, not just a yes or no answer. Keep your message brief, perhaps 2 to 3 sentences, and maintain a light, friendly tone. The goal is to spark interest and show genuine curiosity about her, rather than just offering a compliment. Once she replies, continue the conversation by responding thoughtfully to her points. You can share a brief, relevant personal anecdote that connects to what she said, showing you're engaged. Avoid rapid-fire questions. Instead, let the conversation flow naturally. If there's a good connection, you might eventually suggest moving the chat to a different platform, like a phone number or another messaging app. It's crucial to avoid sending multiple messages if she hasn't replied. This can come across as pushy. Always respect her boundaries and understand that a lack of response might mean she's not interested, and that's perfectly fine. Focus on being respectful and genuine in all your interactions. For more tips on communication and connecting, check out the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Happy connecting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.